So, I want to show you this video. If you can hear that sound, it's coming from this box right here. If you guys can see that box, I got one of these converter boxes to turn HDMI into 3 of those. My RCA cables. Well, I kept getting this sound. I got an Xbox 360, and so what you do is you go to your settings, and you go to system, your console settings, you go down to audio, and you go to digital output, and you go to digital stereo, and it goes away. And that's how you fix the problem with the box. I'm assuming this is with anything like Xbox One, PlayStation, whatever. If you have digital output sound, so there's digital sound and auxiliary sound, or RCA sound, whatever you want to call it, digital and non-digital. If it's on digital and you don't have a digital input for the TV, it's going to sound like shit. If you have a digital TV, then cool, whatever. But this is an older TV, so just keep that in mind, that the AC or RCA, whatever you want to call them, those cords do not put out digital sound. So if you're using a converter box because you're needing to convert digital into non-digital, then you also need to turn the digital settings off on the system that you're doing that with. So just want to let you guys know. I don't know, kind of rambled on a little bit, but this is an easy fix for these little converter boxes.